Welcome back to DigiTech Dynamo. Today, we're diving into a fascinating project, a fingerprint attendance system that uses an LCD display and a buzzer to provide access control. This project is a great way to learn about fingerprint sensors, LCDs, and buzzer integration with Arduino. For this project, we'll use the Adafruit fingerprint sensor, a 16x2 LCD with I2C interface, and a buzzer. The fingerprint sensor will capture and verify fingerprints, while the LCD will display messages and the buzzer will give audible feedback. Here's how everything is connected. The fingerprint sensor is connected to the Arduino via software serial for communication. The LCD is connected through the I2C interface, and the buzzer is connected to pin 8. Let's go through the code. We start by initializing the LCD and the fingerprint sensor. The setup function displays a welcome message and checks if the fingerprint sensor is properly connected. It also retrieves and displays some sensor parameters. In the loop function, we continuously check for a fingerprint. If a fingerprint is detected and matched, the LCD displays access granted with the name associated with the fingerprint ID. If the fingerprint is not found, it displays unauthorized scan. The buzzer also provides feedback based on the authentication result. Here's the system in action. When a recognized fingerprint is placed on the sensor, the LCD shows access granted with the name of the user, and the buzzer beeps once. If an unauthorized fingerprint is detected, the LCD shows unauthorized scan, and the buzzer beeps multiple times. And that's a wrap on our fingerprint attendance system. If you found this project interesting, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to DigiTech Dynamo for more exciting Arduino tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.